We're getting toward the end of a kitchen remodeling project in Souderton. We have our temporary dust wall up and the floor protection down. You can see we got a temporary kitchen set up here in their living room area. In this case, the appliances are being reused, so they are staged here. We walk through the dust door, and this is the kitchen area. The countertop installers are outside, so they'll be coming in shortly. After the countertop is on, we have a vertical painted beadboard that's going to go on as the wall splash. And then certainly some painting, a few pieces of molding here and there to do, install the appliances, and we're ready to go. You can see the LVP luxury vinyl plank flooring. That will be the finished material. And the dust wall will come down and will look much better. Here comes the countertop.
Because of your fingers?
Sure.
Flat. Oh, sure. Ready?
Go. One more. Countertop number 1 in place. Here comes the second section of countertop.
Let's taste the new creatine. Oh, you can clear him?
Yeah.
Countertop is very heavy.
Heard it tastes pretty good.
You guys are strong. With that slid back in place without scratching the porcelain apron farm sink. This is what it looks like with the countertops laid in place. They will be glued down. We have a seam over here directly behind the sink. They need to drill the holes for the faucet and seam fill that. Be on their way. Opening to the left of the sink is for the dishwasher. Gas range is over here. And then the refrigerator in this space. Countertops are in place. 3 pieces. 1 piece over here on this side between the refrigerator and the range. Over here we have 1 piece that comes around to a seam, the center behind the sink. You gotta look really hard if you're gonna find a seam there. And then the 3rd piece spans from the sink across the dishwasher to the end. Installers did a nice job. Next step is the beadboard backsplash. That should start later on this afternoon.